This joy is for you to share it with others. Unless and until you learn that, your ego will come back again and again. And also you have seen the way people who have been even spreading Sahaja Yoga got into the mess of ego. So one has to be very careful. The more you are rising in your divinity, the more you are maturing, you have to be very careful. See, on a tree, if you see, if there's a leaf, no insect will enter. If there's a flower, the insect will come and it will make it into a fruit. But when it is a fruit, then the insect will enter and eat it off. So when you are becoming a fruit, you have to be very careful that no insect should get into. On the contrary, now you have capacity to destroy all the insects. And that is what is, I would say, is the state where we should all come up to. So you are destroying insects on one side and satisfying people on the other side. Collectivity is, of course, no doubt, is the only way you can be cleansed. But the greater thing is to go out, all out, to find out where can I spread Sahaja? Where can I go? What is the nearest village I can go? Where will I work it out? All these things, the more you think, the better it is. And you start moving in that direction. Once you start moving in that direction, you will be surprised Sahaja Yoga will move ahead of you. You will meet the people whom you want. You will get all the necessary help that you want. Suddenly you will find some people who will come down and say, now, what can we do for you? Every type of help starts coming to you the way you expand yourself. It's like expanding your wings, like a bird does, and then you take off. But if you don't extend yourself, you keep Sahaja Yoga to yourself only. It doesn't work. I know you love me very much, and you know I love you very much. But don't you think others should also share this love? Others should also have this. Now, when we start struggling, we also struggle with people who are very difficult. Like my brother's son. No. Just don't go near Mai. Get away. Mai is the most difficult thing. You see, in my family, I don't touch them. Because once you go to Mai, they sit on your heads. Or maybe they'll sit on the heads of the Sahaja Yogis or something, nothing. So don't go to the people, she's my sister, no, nothing of that. What you have to do is to see what is beyond. And the more you will go beyond, the better it would be. See, you can see clearly, we worked so hard in Maharashtra, it is a useless place, I find. Maharashtrian Sahaja Yogis are few, very few, but whatever are there also not so good. While Delhi Sahaja Yogis, now here in Madras, in Bangalore, see what nice Sahaja Yogis are there. So much work I have done there. So those who are very near to you always cannot see the greatness of you. Like if you go near the big mountain, you cannot see the big mountain. You have to be away and then you see. In the same way, when you want to do some work with anyone, try to see that you are not closely related, nor do you have any connections with them. Something unknown. These people are much better for you to follow. And they will keep your attention tight, absolutely, on you. Otherwise, the people who are known to you will trouble you. Now, there are many difficulties in spreading Sahaja Yoga. There were many, many more before. Slowly, these are coming down. Naturally, it is much better than at the time of Thomas, because he had to hide his treatise. to save it from others. He thought a day will come when there will be resurrection time, then these treaties will be. Imagine, only 48 years back, now it would be about 53 years, 50 years back, it was discovered. It was not discovered before. He had to hide it. But now we are not to hide. We have to go all out and must know, must forgive. That, you see, ours is an open place where anybody can come in. So we get all kinds of people. If we go and meet people also, there is all kinds of oppositions. All these things doesn't matter. Everything can be overcome. But first is your own initiative and your own lethargy which has to be overcome. Then it will start spreading out. Of course, we have already a lot of Sahajogis. In Russia, if you say, we have so many in thousands. But in every place, we can have lots of people now. And I'm sure this is a nice year where they say so predict that Sahaja will grow very much this year. So this is the beginning we are starting today. I just wanted to tell you that you have the power, you have the Shakti within your reach. They said it was very cold one day before I came here. I said, don't worry, I didn't give bandhan. I just came here. And how they know? It's become all right, you are sitting in your kurta pajamas. Otherwise you would have been in your three-piece suit shivering. That's how it works. But you have to be that way dedicated. Now for all these Surya and Chandra and all these stars and the whole cosmos has only one thing to do, is to see that Sahaja Yoga is spreading well, is settling well, and is achieving its goal. Every element is working it out. Everything is working. This Param Chaitanya is working out in so many ways. You are not to be convinced about me, I know. But now you have to be convinced about yourself that you have all the powers. I mean, I don't do anything really, to be very frank. If I could do everything, I would not have had it. I would have done it myself. But you have to do it. You are my channels. You are the channels of Shakti. But do it in a way which is gracious, which is beautiful, which is very satisfying. Like yesterday's that musician, he just wanted to entertain. He wanted to play. He wanted, when he was enjoying it. In the same way, we should want to do it. I don't have to tell you. And I am sure in every area that you work, in every personality whom you meet, you can start talking about Sahaja Yoga and tell them. It works. It acts. Moreover, it is behind you the whole power of all the deities. And in front is Sahaja Yoga running forward, fast, this Param Chaitanya. Now the Sahaja Yogis are coming, all right. Let them not eat their food, finished. Organizing. Everything. So beautifully done. Now see the arrangements. I mean, I was thinking such few people here. And about 20 Sahaja Yogis in Madras. Can you believe it? All this arrangement. How it's working out, how it is giving results is really remarkable. So have faith in yourself, have faith in all of them helping you, not to be nervous, and just go ahead. Because the Shakti is in you. You have the power. Every kind of power you have. I assure you, you have every power. Ask for it and you will have it. Whatever you ask for it, it will happen. But don't hesitate. As I said the other day that I make you sit on the throne. Then also I put the crown on your head. And also I say now you are the king. But still you are running away and not believing me. looking this side with fear, am I king really? How can I be? That's not the way. Have faith in yourself.